But you know what we got to do now, boys? We got to hop on the forklift and see what she does. Should we do it? Less than 24 hours later, you think we should drive the forklift on it? I say we drive the forklift on it. Let's go for it. See what we got. It's the NeoFLEX. If you're here, you're seeing it live. Less than 24 hours later, we're gonna drive on over it. How about that? How about those cookies, boys and girls? Don't get no better than that, does it? Let's let it chill for a minute. Because we're moving. Maybe it just doesn't leave marks because we're moving, right? It needs a little. Oh. Yep, return to service in less than 24 hours. Completely UV stable. Lays out like ice, has 0 odor. 1 hour working time. We got a working lab over there. But this is how you really test something. Put it in the real world. Get live. Later, guys. Enjoy the show.